How to fix Binance login problem. So if you're not being able to log into your Binance application, then what you need to do is search for Binance and then tap and hold on to that Binance application. Go with the app info. Once you're under your app info, now you need to go with storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Play Store and go with search. And here you need to search for Binance. If you have any updates, you just need to simply go and update the application on your Play Store or your App Store. Once you've updated, then your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just uninstall the application and then again install it from your App Store or your Play Store. Tap on uninstall and then again uninstall and again install it from your Play Store or your App Store and log in, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your login problem on your Binance. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.